kind of nice out here, but at the same time, it's so cold. The sun is out, but it's cold. Going to the farmer's market because I need some fruits and vegetables. I'm stronger, I'm wiser, I'm better, much better. I'm picking. It's cold out here. Whew. I'm gonna go this way. Let's go this way. Go walk straight down. I was gonna go that way, but it don't make no sense. Ooh, OSHA. Huh. I need to get my OSHA. Never would have made it. Never would have made it. Made it without you. Happy Sunday, guys. Without you. But man, it's cold. I need a glove. Man, it's cold. Where you? Oh, yeah. Why was he waiting? Hold on to. Never good. I just feel like vlogging today. I just feel like doing a little vlog today while I walk to the market. Why not? Huh? Could have made it. I'm cooking some oxtail, curry chicken, rice and peas, white rice, plantains. Did I say plantains? Yeah, that's it. Give them a little. Oh, their house is okay. I don't know. Gets a little better at night. So can you see? I give myself away. Everybody didn't even decor their house yet. This is nice. I like this color. Myself away. So you outside. Careful my gloves. It's cold. Yeah, there's a bus stop. Yeah. Is in your Brooklyn A Center. I give myself away. I give myself away. So you can use me. My favorite place. Two of my favorite places in two spots. But I don't really eat Burger King like that. But Popeyes. I mean, I don't really eat both of them like that. But they're my two favorite fast food places. What? Yeah. Popeyes. Okay, of course. Trying to get hit by nobody. Myself away. I give myself away so you can use me. I should want to go that way. And go right now. I give myself away so you can use me. I'm not a singer, okay? I know that. It's like one of my favorite gospel songs, though. My life is not mine. To you I belong. I give myself to you. I belong. To you I belong. Got a train station. Subway. Grant Avenue Subway. Here I am to bow. Here I am to say you're mine. All together. Ooh, my hand is cold. Ooh, I had to switch hands just now. My hand is cold. Here I am, bowing to say that you're mine. All together. Oh, it's cold. It's cold as heck. Here I am to bow down. Here I am. You're my God. Oh, to you. Worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to. You're my God. Hey. All together. If y'all still got some music and y'all don't feel it, like, ooh. It's a new store they have here. Guess they can't fit inside. So they outside. And I'm at my farmer's market right there. I'm at a shopping area. They have a lot of stores out here. To you, oh my gosh. My farmer's market. I got two of them. There's one down that way too. Gotta see what I need first. Strawberries. $1. Where the bags at though? Why could I have three different colors in here though? I have three the same thing. I never had this eggplant. I don't know how the thing tastes. Probably tastes good too. But then again, I'm picky. So I'm gonna just leave it alone. I don't like wasting my money. Most of the stuff here is for $1. Everything is like, okay, most. This is too for $1. If I knew how this thing tastes, I would have bought it. Like I said, I'm picky, so I ain't gonna get it. I'm gonna leave it alone. I like these stuff. Strawberries. I need cucumbers though. This is not cucumbers. What is this? Why are they so long? They're so long. That's not the cucumber I'm used to. Like, that's not the one. It's shorter than that. Plantains. I know all these for $1. Oranges. Why do oranges look so hard? It's like oranges look like they're from Florida. I'm gonna go to my other store. The other one down there have better stuff, to be honest.